Kenapa kita? Yang mana? Yang mana? Kiring. Saya tanya sendiri nih.
I don't have so much to say, okay, but as you step on the threshold of your examination, I just want to wish you best of luck to each and every one of you. And we have all seen you grow, from residents, hesitant students to into thoughtful, creative individuals with critical thinking. Some of you came with questions and all, and we are really proud, of the resilience you have shown. And don't be afraid of examinations. Just trust your preparations. Give your best, and we are all cheering for you. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.
That I met you all as my colleagues, mates, and all. And we have some of us here been friends also, but we also been in the business partners and like that. So, and I also want to thank like my teachers, everyone. Even though it's so I also have something before. We have a kind of misunderstanding before in the past. But now I think I didn't know that. I think we have something. So I just want to say sorry for anything disrespect. I know you tried to act about it. To forget a lot of stuff, but I just want to say sorry for everything. And I'm glad that I have teachers like you guys and everything, And I'm very blessed, especially Miss Sandra. She had pushed me so much because I've been with her since first semester, and she had taught me everything and anything she had to transfer to us, as we all also we can accept that. And I just want to say to Miss PH, Miss Amani, Sir Banker, Miss DP, and Sir, I really love you guys, and I'm so happy that you guys are here.
It's okay. It's time to be emotional.
And I will miss you all, for sure. I miss you all. I miss the fun, everything we have in class, and I hope that we will have a great future. We will have something else to do in the future also. And I'm blessed that I met you guys as my sociology department, and I really love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Everyone has supported me all through my
The teachers who help us not only to teach, also need to help us to grow, and that's all I can say. Thank you so much for all.
Thank you. And I really miss.
Thank you. No, it's fine. Thank you. Yeah.
Sayur, sasau.
Shifao.
Wow. Masyado yung sumsit naman kita eh. Kasi mga boy green and I miss ang boy. Sabi ko ma. Sampai stay gini ya, sampai selesai gini.
One, two, three. Yeah. Raja Chakra.
Take sana. Wasan, take sana. Mai era. One set Tehi, Freddy. What you learn? Ani abi miss the kid pop. What you pa? You miss. Sige. Resultado mesmo isso lá. This right? That's life. Life is all about moving on.
Lai sao san riu nhổ nhung.
Jam em kipila.
Ini tukang kriak.
Freddy. Kadang arteli ke tu?
Ada bu kenal. Sim. Jet. Mana Wawan? Sim. Mana berdua? Ani. Datang yang sini apa semua? Datang sih baik kata bang Haswa, bang Ibrahim.
Baik di bawah.
Datang dengan tema bang Tabaman. Jangan cuai. Yes, ayo ini joki. Cakap. Ujian rock progress in our show happiness. Just simplicity before God. Amen. Amen. Kamu kuih ini apa banyak ya mas? Kamu ngapain? I only miss but nice speech.
Nice speech. Yeah. Should I pause it?
Em lo I speech miss. Sim, penting nama I speech miss.
Become W.
You do good at it, you do better, alright? Anything you do doesn't really matter, you know? You have integrity in the amount of work and the type of work that you do. Doesn't really matter what it is, as long as you have humility, integrity, you work hard, alright?
There is no knee, okay? I'm just giving you a heads up. You don't understand the repercussions of these actions that will happen to me.
A second,
No. 2 seconds is too much. No.
Many person that bring doing how much day? No, but I have actually wanted that. What would it be? I don't know. We want to try and do that too. If we can try to do it, this is our business. And one of the actual people is what they need for me. I have actually the temperature should have shown the cup. Alex! Yes, miss. Masa miss saya. Bye.